Are you ready for the 2024 East-West Longitudes? Only at Camping World, honey. Let's go take a look at this line. I love a jackknife sofa, honey. It's so wonderful. Of course, with the hide-a-bed. And oh, y'all know I love smart, boom, a recliner. Who doesn't love smart seating? So you've got all this space. You've got the hide-a-bed. You've got power ports, also power ports and power on the other side of the sofa. I love this little built-in end table. Windows for days, windows for days. You've got AC in here and AC prep in the bedroom. I mean, it's just more and more where you're like, I love that they thought this through. Then we've got the entertainment area. Why not? Let's talk about it. You've got great TV. You've got Bluetooth HDMI prep soundbar, and we've got the fireplace, which I love. So everything is right here, and windows for days. It just makes it even airier. It goes with this high profile 81-inch ceiling. And y'all, storage, big giant storage. I absolutely love it. But it doesn't stop there. Let's go check out the open plan kitchen. You're gonna love it. This is what I love about this open plan kitchen. Do y'all see the flow, right? Normally I don't love a sink right by the door, but I do in this case for two reasons. One, you've got the high faucet, which we love. You've got a wonderful, look how big this undermount sink is, y'all. Beautiful pressed countertops. And what else they did that I love, I'm gonna throw these in here, is how they mimic the countertop right up like a proper backsplash, which is a huge trend for 2024 in residential, carried over into RVs, and I love it. Taking the cabinet line up to the ceiling, great use of space, and you're getting all that height and storage, which we love. All the counter space, look at the fridge right here, loving the size, right? Loving how big this is. You've got a 3-burner with oven cooktop, great, love. And you've got that hood over the range, which is nice. A lot of times we don't get that nice feature. Microwave as well, and again, more storage. Another big trend in residential this year in 2024 is a window backsplash, foregoing tile and all those things. And again, more counter space, power underneath, lighting underneath. It's all these little features that make the 310RL just feel so elevated. And look at the pantry. So deep, so much storage. You've got it all the way down. Now, if you've heard me say it once, you've heard me say it 100 times. We get these really gorgeous RVs. Everybody thinks everything through, and then you got a big old trash can sitting in the middle of the room. They thought it through. Thank you, East West. This Longitude has that built-in trash bin that's right there. Trash away, and you get to have all this flow and space. But it doesn't stop there. Look at the dining area. Y'all, step on in. I love the half banquette that we've got these 2 seats as well, so you can have a couple friends over, have the kids over, the grandkids, power ports as well with power at the table, or if you wanted to sit on the other side and look out so that you could, enjoy working from home, looking at the lake, looking at the ocean. This is my kind of setup, honey. It just gives you so much flow, and you can still enjoy the TV from right here, and if you've got friends over, you could sit and hang. It's one of the flows that you feel like someone really thought through, and I love it. Now, let's go check out the bathroom, shall we? Y'all know I love a pocket door, and this bathroom doesn't have just one, it has 2. That's right, pass through right into the primary bedroom, but let's get right into the business. I love a medicine cabinet with great storage. Thank you very much. We've got storage down below. I absolutely love that. Love the beautiful black matte finish, but ooh, honey, what is that? A dual sliding glass door with a skylight in this shower? Don't mind if I do, darling. That they put the toilet on the bias. Huge, great use of space, and I love the flow. And it doesn't stop there. Look at the size of this linen closet with what? More storage for all your toiletries and everything, hair dryers. I love it. Now I can just walk through this second pocket door and do what? Show you the primary bedroom. Let's go. Let's step in the primary bedroom, shall we, and talk the major differences between the Longitude bunkhouse and the Longitude couples trailer. So here we go. I love the couples travel trailer for the reasons that it has so much wardrobe storage. You kind of forego that with a much smaller armoire in the family, but you're also, again, in the family travel trailer sleeping up to 9. On this one, you have, because it is the couple and sleeps up to 4, look at the size of that wardrobe, y'all. Oh, are you kidding? And you get that great storage down below. Where on the family travel trailer, it's much smaller, but you do get on the family dual wardrobes on either side of the bed, which you only get one wardrobe in the couples travel trailer. You also get a much larger nightstand on one side here in the couples, where in the family you only get 2 thinner ones, which is something to keep in mind. They both have great windows above the bed, which I love, and they both have great overhead storage, which is fantastic. It's really about how you do life and how many people you're accommodating when you're out on the road. So same queen bed, same great flow to the space. It's just a different use of storage and placement of TV. The TV on the couples is straight ahead, and on the family travel trailer, it's off to the side. So really, it just depends on how you're flowing. I think they made a great use of all space, but to be honest with you, I think this one just feels a little airier. But again, you only sleep in 4 on this bad boy, and you can sleep up to 9 on the family. So how you do it is completely up to you. We can end this tour of the 310RL right here in the primary bedroom. But why do that? Because she's just as gorgeous on the outside. Let's go take a look. The Longitude 310RL doesn't disappoint on the outside, honey, with pass-through storage, 21-foot awning, marine-grade exterior speakers, LP Connect, RVQ Quick Connect, 100-watt solar package, Wi-Fi prep. I mean, it goes on and on. Oh, and an outdoor shower. How wonderful is that for days by the lake or the beach? Maybe you get back from a bike ride. World's your oyster. And look, there's so much more I didn't cover, but we're going to put it right here because it would take like 2 days for y'all to hear all about it. Look at that, all the info in a neat graphic. Don't you love when we do that? We think of everything. So what are you waiting for, honey? Get into your local Camping World today. Get your eyes and your hands on this East-West Longitude 310RL. She's absolutely fabulous, and you have to get into your local Camping World today to check her out. And remember, tell them Trish sent you, and we can't wait to see you soon.